we are trying to do the setups for our customers as simple as possible. So that's why in this video I'm gonna explain how to connect your mining rig when you receive it delivered. And today the setup will be on ethos software. This is a very great software which we lately are starting to use. The mining rig, when you receive it, it will look something like that. It will have a packaging around it. You just need to remove all the packaging. The first thing what you want to do. Then after that you need to check all the connections, which go to the riser cables which are connected to motherboard from the graphics card. Sometimes these connections get loose in the shipping, and then the graphics card is not seen when you turn on the mining rigs. Also check from the back the same connections for each graphics card. So if that everything is okay, you also will receive a small manual with this mining rig. It says it's it's a one-page manual. It only has a detailed description where is what on this mining rig. So as you can see, I will show you also the first thing when you want to connect the power to the mining rig is the power supply cable. So this is the first thing you want to do. Then the next thing is you connect the LAN cable to the LAN socket on the motherboard. This is for your network connection. And here's the on-off switch on your mining rig. It's a small button. Can you zoom that in? This is the on-off button, which is used to turn on off our mining rig. So the first thing, before you want to turn on, you have to flick the switch to on the power supply, and also you want to connect the monitor before you start the mining rig to the second graphics card from the left. This is your master GPU. This graphics card is plugged in a 16x socket. The image will be always in this graphics card if all the 6 graphics cards is connected. So you have your monitor connected, you have your power cable connected, you have your network cable connected, and you haven't turned on your switch on the power supply. To turn off your mining rig, you need to just click on the small switch, which is on the red and black wire tied beside the power supply. Okay, the graphics card is starting to spin the fans. You can connect also the mouse and keyboard with the USB cables for a setup. Can you see the screen? Yeah, and this the ethos is booting up, and it says here if it hangs on this line and desktop doesn't appear, there's a hardware problem. Check all hardware, but if it's booting after this, so your mining rig is ready to start mining. When it will be booted, you will get an image like this. The first thing you need to do is to change your wallet address, and that's actually the only thing you need to do to start mining. So you need to type. So you need to type in your console bi space local dot conf conf. And this will take you to your settings for your mining rig. As you can see, it uses Claymore Miner. You also can use SG Miner for example, mining Ethereum. There's all kind of miners built inside this software. You just need to replace the names of them. So if you bought an Ethereum mining rig, the mining rig will be already set up for mining and modified. What you need to just is change your proxy wallet address. So you need to change the default wallet address was there with yours to start mining to your wallet address. So to do that, you need to hit on the keyboard first, insert. And that will allow you to do the changes on the configuration file. So you just delete whatever is here, and then type it in your wallet address. So that's basically it, the setup to start mining. To save that, you need to press. So for example, you put your wallet details here. To save that, you need to press on the keyboard escape, hold shift and 2 dots, and then click X, and then hit enter. And what that will do, that will save the setting for your mining rig. And to reboot from your console, you also hit on the keyboard, type R and hit enter. And that will reboot your mining rig. So yeah, and also I want to show you how to access your mining remotely from your local network with a software called Putty. So I will take you inside a Windows machine and show you my screen how to set it up using Putty. So this is very useful if you have more than one mining rigs and you want to do changes, switching between currencies or even reboots. So this is a good software to do changes. Also, when you turn on your mining rig on the ethos front screen, you will have a link. When you type this link inside the web browser, you will get your mining rig stats page where you see the temperatures and what speed is hashing each graphics card and so on. All the details you need to know. I will show you that also. From my desktop how it looks like. So yes, by typing the link into the web browser, you will receive a stats page like this, where you can see the hashes on each GPU, if it is online or offline. You can see the temperatures. You can see the overclock settings on them, core clock, memory clock, fan speed, and so on. ethos also comes as a manual. I will leave a link in description for this manual. And the one thing I wanted to show you is also how to remotely log into your miner from your other Windows machine using Putty, using SSH to log into OS from Windows. You need to download the Putty. There's a link and it says how to set it up. So save file, put the open file, and then you need to type in the IP address in which miner do you want to log in. For example, I want to log in into the miner 192. You need to type in the IP address of the mining rig you want to log in. So I want to log in into this miner 1.1.3. Okay, hit enter, and it will ask you login as. On the default, the username is ethos, ethos. Then hit enter, and it should ask you for a password. It won't show you the password when you're typing, but try to type it correctly. On the default, the password is live, LIVE, and then hit enter, and this will log into your miner console. So you can change the settings also from here. For example, go back to vilocal.conf, and you can see your settings here. You can see that the wallet address I edited there on the video, so it's wrong. So I will put my wallet info, correct wallet info, into this file. Then I click escape, shift to .x, and enter to save and reboot. So yes, also it comes with the instructions, like if you want to connect to different currencies like Zcash, Monero, you want to add different miners. It has all the manual you needed. And also, if you want to track how much your miner has mined and see the stats page from your mining pool, on a default we connect to Ethermine. If you buy Ethereum mining rig, we think it's one of the best pools and has the best return. So you just paste your wallet address into the search box into the top and click check status, and you will see your miners working. So yeah, this is your stat page, and on a default, when your unpaid balance reach 1 Ethereum, it will be automatically transferred to your wallet. This could be changed in the settings tab by typing in your email address and how much minimum payments you want to do. Like, for example, if you want to do 0.1 Ethereum, and then you need to type in your public address, IP address, and save. And this will change the setting. So if your Ethereum reaches 0.1 Ethereum, it will be automatically transferred to your wallet address. The best wallets to use is hardware wallets or paper wallets. You know, don't use an exchange wallets because you don't hold the funds. And if you have you hold your private keys, you hold your funds. You know, you never know what could happen to your exchanges. So I hope this video helped you to set up your mining rig, and thank you for watching.